Hello everyone, this is Jay. Today we're going to make a boat. Let's make a boat together. What we need are punch, triangle pelt, straw, the little straw, and I put already pom-pom here up here, and a sponge, and some beads for decorate. Alright, let's see. First, let's put a punch for the straw. I put the punch down here. Okay, let me have this out. Okay, so this out about here. And I will have one more punch down here. So I have one down and a one up here. So we're gonna go through the straw. Alright, and then we got punch. I want to decorate first. So let's see, I got little beads down here. I will decorate with this because it's a sticker. I'll put it in. Okay, can we do Okay, one up here and one straight down here. Alrighty. More beads, more beads, more beads. If you like it, you can draw something with markers. It'll be good. But I'm not a good drawer, so I'll put a beads instead. Sure. And a little. Okay, white will be okay because it's red. Good, here and here, and I like purple, so I'll put a purple beads up here and little more line beads. Shoo. And more down here. Da 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 da. I like the blue one. Let's go blue. Da 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 da. So I decorate like this, so I think it's okay. And now I put straw, put it in this hole, and put another one. Let's go through the other hole. So we'll make like this sail, okay? And then we're gonna put this into the sponge. Push it down, it'll go. You push it, it's not that hard. So you push it and throw it. And then, ta-da-da! This is the boat! Can we go sail? Alright. Let's sail the boat. I got a little down for the tray. And I'm gonna put the water. Woohoo! And then let's go sail the boat. Are you ready? My boat is coming to you. Ready, set. Woohoo! That's good.